The best budget electric scooters for beginners balance reliable safety, a gentle learning curve, and an affordable price point. Top choices include the Segway Ninebot E2 Pro, Gotrax GXL V2, NIU100F, Hiboy S2, and Hiboy S2 or Plus. Number 1. Segway Ninebot E2 Pro Electric Scooter. The E2 Pro from Segway Ninebot is categorized as a beginner-friendly electric scooter. And after testing it for several days, I concur. It maxed out at a moderate yet manageable speed of 16 miles per hour for me, can climb hills of up to 18 degrees, has a 750W rear-drive motor, gets up to 25 miles per charge in eco mode, and can move with anyone up to 265 pounds riding it. Before jumping on, you need to first assemble it. That's super easy, as it really involves setting the neck into the base and then tightening 2 screws. If it takes you more than a few minutes, you're doing it wrong. Then you need to pair it with the brand's smartphone app, something I'm never a fan of. If you don't sync it with the app, the machine just keeps on beeping loudly and can move only at a very limited speed. Pairing it with the app works just like any other product, and the app itself is decent because it lets you set things up on the scooter, such as speed units for the handlebar screen, as well as the starting speed when you initially accelerate. I set this one for the medium acceleration option, and it was nice and smooth. The experience of riding the scooter is exactly like on pretty much every other scooter I've tried. You can get the hang of it quickly, even if you've never done it before. Acceleration is easy, the motor is super quiet, and the 2.8-inch handlebar display reads nice and bright so you can see how fast you're moving at any time. Number 2. Gotrax GXL V2 Electric Scooter. The GXL V2 is the Gotrax's most classic, mature, and reliable model. The GXL V2 has a large console, long battery life, all-aluminum alloy frame, front headlight, and UL 2272 certification, safe and smooth to ride. Featuring a 36V5.2 long-life battery, this GXL V2 scooter can reach up to a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a max range of 12 miles under optimum conditions, with the cruise control system, bringing convenience to your riding. It requires no maintenance, no repair, anti-piercing, so you needn't worry about being punctured. The solid tire has more cushion and provides a more comfortable ride than the traditional air tire. The 250W motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The e-scooter reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and can handle up to 220 pounds. This new and improved motor will make your riding faster, safer, and quieter. The e-scooter can fold down to 43.7 inch by 17.3 inch by 16.1 inch, making it easy to store in a car, the school, or the office. It only weighs 27 pounds, very lightweight and portable, so even girls can easily carry it up and down the stairs. Number 3. NIU100F Electric Scooter. The NIU100F features foldable handlebars, making it easy to fold and store, reduces overall size for easy transportation, fits into your car trunk or other transport with minimal space required, perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Equipped with a 300W motor and 600W peak output, reaches speeds up to 17.4 miles per hour, easily climbs hills with up to 15% grade, offers a range of up to 18 miles per charge. Includes front drum brake and rear regenerative brake for efficient stopping power, built-in turn signals and LED lights ensure visibility during night rides, added safety for urban commuting. Features a spacious footboard and 9.5-inch pneumatic tires for a smoother, more comfortable ride, supports up to 265 pounds, designed for both city streets and rougher terrains. Bluetooth-enabled NIU app allows for scooter locking, speed customization, smart features like auto cruise and battery charge limit settings ensure a personalized ride experience. Constructed from high-quality materials for durability and longevity, withstands daily use while remaining lightweight at just 38.8 pounds, designed for both urban commuting and recreational use. All NIU electric scooters are UL certified and comes with NIU's comprehensive 2-year warranty. This ensures peace of mind with reliable after-sales support, covering accessories and consumable parts. Number 4. Hiboy S2 Electric Scooter. The 350W electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 19 miles per hour high-capacity battery, 36V7.8Ah, with a max travel range of 17 miles under specific conditions. And our product has passed stringent UL 2272 testing. Extremely smooth when accelerating and turning, Hiboy electric scooter have been made of solid and durable quality with solid tires, a whole frame. Hiboy electric scooter Adults S2 is made with front, middle, and rear 3 lights. The double braking system features a disc braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking. Simply connect Hiboy e-scooter app to lock your scooter, to customized speed and cruise control unique to the Hiboy S2 app. It works with both iPhones and Android smartphones. Hiboy e-scooters collapses for easy storage in car trunks and closets, beneath subway seats, and inside other compact spaces. An extra detachable scooter seat is available for a more comfortable option. Hiboy S2 electric scooter for adults is designed to be a durable and comfortable city commuting electric scooter. 12-month guarantee, please feel free to contact us. Number 5. Hiboy S2 R Plus electric scooter. This electric scooter is equipped with a peak 500W motor, rated 350W, delivering reliable performance with a top speed of 19 miles per hour. It effortlessly climbs 15% inclines and allows riders to switch between Eco mode, 13 miles per hour, and Sport mode, 19 miles per hour, for different riding needs. The electric scooter for adults features a high-capacity 313Wh battery, providing a smooth ride for up to 22 miles per charge. The patented removable battery design allows for convenient charging and extended travel by simply swapping the battery in seconds, extra battery sold separately. Designed for daily commuting, this electric scooter comes with 9-inch pneumatic tires that absorb shocks for a smoother ride. The dual braking system, combining disc brakes and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking, enhances stability and safety during braking. This electric scooter adults model features a durable aluminum frame, a bright front headlight, and a responsive red taillight for increased visibility. The built-in bell on the handlebar ensures added safety for urban travel, making it a reliable choice for commuting.